Hi, I'm Phantom Death.
Hi, I'm Maxwell D. Tamily.
And we are doing another Phantom's...
Random Phantom moment. Yes.
Yeah.
Keep telling them. I'll get there.
Well,
What?
it's a song from... Well, it's one of my favourite songs. And...
It's from...
No, catch up it's from.
No, we can say why it's from though.
Yeah, it's from Mulan.
Disney's Mulan.
It is a really nice song. And I know you can see my hairy chest, but I'm sorry, I went to the gym and I got a phone call, so it's his fault. He phoned me too late. Alright, peace out.
It's not my fault. Hey, ready? 1, 2, 3, goes.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
Gurus and non-gurus.
and mongooses,
And demons.
and angels and devils and everything else in the world.
And people masturbating.
Okay,
I'm off to go sing the English one now.
peace out.